Hi, in this video, I'm going to give you a lightning breakdown of what product management means, how product managers manage a product, and I'm also going to introduce you to tools that they use to manage their work. I'm not going to go in depth, but I'm just going to give you just enough so you can continue learning on your own. So, what's product management? After spending 3 years at a tech sector agency, I would say being a product manager comes down to just 3 things. Number 1, it means being the CEO of a specific product. You decide what's the best form of the product to build, when and what features should get built, and you market the entire product bottoms up. Number 2, it's about prioritizing ruthlessly. Even when senior management asks for something, it's not always a yes. A lot of your job is saying yes to some things and no to a lot of things. Number 3, it means keeping everyone aligned. And by everyone, I mean the software team, customers, senior management, and even members of the public for whom you're building the product for. As you can see, product manager is some kind of weird chimera, a combination between divisional director, project manager, policy officer, ops expert, and comm specialist all rolled up into a single role. Now, how do product managers create and manage their product? Now, unlike a lot of government work, a lot of the documentation of product managers is not written down as a policy paper or government document. It exists in this construct called a product backlog. A product backlog is not a document, but a collection of user stories. So what are user stories, you say? Well, a user story describes a single feature that's to be built in the digital product using a very simple framework. It goes like this. As a type of user, I want to be able to do something so that I can achieve something. So that's what a user story is like. A user story also has a section called acceptance criteria so that everyone knows when the feature has been completed. So for example, if I'm building a to-do app like Todoist, an example of a user story might go like this. As a busy user, I want to be able to record tasks all in one place so that I can keep track of all that I want to do. For the acceptance criteria, this is what it could look like. I must be able to add tasks. I must be able to delete tasks. And I must be able to update tasks. So a product backlog is a collection of all the user stories that make up your product. And that's the way a product manager communicates the work to be done to his engineers. Why are we learning about user stories in this video? Because I found that the best way to communicate to an LLM building tool is via user stories. That's why this is where we need to start from. And that's all the difficult concepts you're going to be learning in this class. From the next video onwards, it's going to be building nonstop. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to use a tool called Notion to manage your user stories. So see you there.